Let me take a video first. If you're looking for unique things to do near Antigua Guatemala, this fantasy Hobbit paradise nestled 7,000 feet up in the Guatemalan mountains is a fabulous idea. What an adventure! We were driving up this hill and quickly realized that it was getting very steep and that our van was not suited for such drive. I had to reverse back down the hill, and for a few quetzales the locals allowed us to park the van in their property and then hitch a ride on the back of this pickup, taking us to Hobbitenango's entrance, where your entry fee includes a 4-wheel drive up the hill to the main park. Here we go. Hold on. Modeled after New Zealand's Hobbiton, which was the movie set for Lord of the Rings, Hobbitenango was founded out of the love for nature, playfulness, and the desire to disconnect from the hectic, busy world and reconnect with what's important in life. Originally, it was meant to be a small eco-village shared between friends. Hobbitenango has now been adopted by locals and worldwide visitors and has grown into an area that can be enjoyed by anyone who wishes to visit. Since 2015, they have built several Hobbit-style homes and restaurants, all styled after our favorite fantasy genres and meant to inspire playfulness and wonder in adults and children alike. Currently, they have over 26 areas of attractions to enjoy within the park, from restaurants, games, a hotel, and lots of Instagrammable locations. Come for the day or stay for the night and enjoy the beautiful views of the Panchoy Valley and the surrounding volcanoes. Stay with us as we continue our Central American adventure. Next, we head into magical Lake Atitlan, the place where the rainbow gets its colors. Rico, rico.